We are back with another Savage video. Thanks to everyone that's liking, commenting, and sharing my video, and also everybody that's subscribing to the channel. You guys are real rock stars. In an effort to help out the community a little bit, I decided to do some short, easily digestible crypto mining beginner type videos. Because with the recent rise in crypto mining profitability, we've seen an influx of new users, and they're asking some of the questions that we all asked whenever we first started. So I figured I would start at the beginning. If you are going to start crypto mining using your graphics processing unit or GPU, then there's quite a few things that you need to know before you get started.
Hey everyone, thank you for tuning in to Cryptologic Miner. So that is Savage Mine, who is a big-time crypto miner and YouTuber, real big in the community as far as giving how-to videos and helping people out get into mining, along with educational stuff, all mining related. Unfortunately, he recently passed away, so wanted to make this video in memory of him. I certainly watched many of his videos and tutorials, and he was one of the YouTubers I watched before I started to get into mining. So I just wanted to say rest in peace, and God bless. His family and friends are in our thoughts and prayers. He will certainly be missed. There is also donations going on. I will put the link in the description below to donate. Hey guys, so I decided to pick up a Asic miner, an S9J. This is just a quick unboxing for that, and I'm going to make another YouTube video on setting that up and whatnot. Now, I'm sure you guys are all waiting and wondering who the winner is, so let's see who we got for the ETH giveaway. Robin Furlando, sorry if I pronounced that wrong. Congratulations, you are the winner of the June Crypto ETH giveaway. Also wanted to say again, condolences to Savage Mine and family. Some other crypto YouTubers, Red Panda Mining and Chump Change. He's hosting a Hash for Savage live stream this Friday, so check out his channel and support. Alright guys, thank you. Till next time.